Hello everyone, welcome back to another Teaching Tuesday. For today's video, I will be going through an activity that came from our Realizing Our Impact, a look into diversity, acceptance, and equality program. This activity will help us reflect on the various points of our identities and backgrounds and how it affects our personal privilege and oppression. Okay, so for this activity, we will need a few pieces of paper. And we'll also need a garbage bin. And you'll also need to split your group into two, where there's group 1 having birthdays from January till June, and group 2, July till December. And make sure they are in this other ends of the room. And the goal of this is to be able to throw your ball into the basket. And for those who are facilitating, make sure to place the basket closer to group 1. It's an important detail. It'll be part of the discussion later as well. And on the count of 3, everyone throws their paper into the basket and emphasize that they cannot move from where they are. Okay, so once everyone has tried their best to throw their paper ball into their basket, there's some discussion questions you can ask right after. So, which group got the better results and why? What are your feelings about the rules of this game and how was it set up? To the winning team, how do you feel about being closer to the basket? How do you feel about winning? And to the losing team, how do you feel about being further away from the basket and how do you feel about losing? You can also reflect on the advantage that group 1 had. They were closer to the basket because of one part of their identity alone. They were born between January and June, not because of their education or their paper ball throwing skills, not because they worked hard or are more deserving. And we can also apply this to the real life issues that people experience today. The opportunities they have worked hard for and didn't get because of the color of their skin, and how easy it is for some people to be able to get the same opportunity because of their privilege. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next week for another piece of our program, which is intersectionality.